taking a walk in nature. I'm just talking to my friend and saying how we can learn from nature to be the flow of the waterfall, of the creeks, of the rivers, and also how the trees effortlessly let go of their leaves. You can see them just gracefully falling, knowing that there has to be a death and a cycle or a rebirth. So may we each hold ourselves exactly where we are. Maybe allow for whatever's not serving us to gracefully fall away with ease. And may we be with the flow of life and allow it to take us where we need to go. Almost like picturing yourself on this river, like a lazy river, allowing it to just take us on our journey and trust. And maybe a bump, but it's going to flow with grace and ease if we stay with the flow. What are you flowing with, growing with, letting go of with ease? Maybe leave that in the comments below. I love you because I can.